If you've accidentally deleted messages on CapCut, there are a few steps you can take to try and recover them. Follow the steps below to attempt recovery. Step 1. Check the trash folder. Open CapCut and navigate to the trash or deleted items folder. Many apps have a temporary storage area where deleted items are kept for limited time before permanent deletion. Step 2. Restore from trash. If you find your deleted messages in the trash folder, select the messages you want to recover and choose the restore option. This will move them back to their original location. Step 3. Check cloud backups. If you have enabled cloud backups for CapCut, check your cloud storage service. Log into your account and look for any backups that might contain your deleted messages. Step 4. Reinstall the app. Sometimes reinstalling the app can help recover lost data. Uninstall CapCut from your device and then reinstall it from the App Store. This may restore any previously saved data. Step 5. Contact support. If none of the above steps work, consider reaching out to CapCut's customer support. They may have additional methods for recovering deleted messages or can provide guidance specific to your situation. In conclusion, while recovering deleted messages can be challenging, following these steps may help you retrieve your lost data. Good luck!